Right, we've got a brand new gun. Mate's having problems with it. Right, so there's your regulators. That one should show you how much pressure is in your bottle. I've not even used this. This one sets your pressure for welding. So with the gun turned off, we'll turn the regulator valve down, and we're going to set it at 5 bar, or try and set it at 5 bar. Now this needle here should go up really slowly until it sets onto the one you want to weld with. This one is how much pressure is in the bottle. So I'll turn this really gently, turning the regulator really slowly, which is really temperamental. Shouldn't be this temperamental. But you watch that needle, it just flies up. Yeah. Now that shouldn't do that. Right, that's as if I'm going to weld. Now I'm going to turn the oxygen on and watch what happens to this one and this one. This one shouldn't move. Ready? So I'm turning the oxygen on as though I was going to weld. Watch the needle. Drops down to 0. And there's no oxygen coming out. So we put it up a little bit more. So we get it to half, say just over 5 psi. Now watch what happens again. Turn the oxygen on as though you're going to weld. Now look, all the pressure goes from that reg. This one drops down to 0. So I'll turn the oxygen off on the gun, then I'll turn the regulator off, turn the oxygen on the gun again, turn it off, and then this one will creep up really slowly until it comes to max pressure. I'll just pause it. Right, now we're back to max pressure. I'll do it again. Valve off. Turn the regulator down to give me pressure for welding. See, that shouldn't stick like that. That's. Now I'll turn the dial on again and watch the needle. That shouldn't happen just turning that valve on. This one should not fly up. This regulator has had it.